wonder how professional bakers cut their cake into even layers? Do you think you spend too much time leveling cakes? Today I will reveal my secret weapon that other bakers want to know. This Sabi cake leveler is the secret weapon for an effortless perfect cut every time. Let me show you how to use it. There are scales on both sides. You need to adjust the blade height with the quick twist of a knob. Repeat for the other side. Then just remove the blade guard. Then slide the leveler from right to the left in a sewing motion. Because it can cut through nuts, dry fruit and chocolate chips like a butter. Now all our cakes are perfectly leveled and cut into even layers. That RB cake leveler makes life so much easier. It does all the hard work for you. Do you have any cake secret weapon? Let me know in the comment down below. I will see you in my next video.